Hi everyone, I'm Gretchen and I'm the founder of the Willows Tarot Society, and I am so passionate about using tarot, oracle cards, Lenormand cards to journal and just totally rule your life. So today I want to show you how to make a really quick $1 tarot journal. It's super easy to set up, super cheap, it's fun, and right away you'll have a place to log your readings. I found this journal at the dollar store. It's a little bigger than some of the other pocket journals I've found, but it has these pretty design elements and I really liked it. I've also found these journals at Joann Fabric. There was a 2-pack for $1, so 50 cents a piece. And these are really nice if you want to do maybe a weekend journal, like a career exploration or a spirituality exploration. The only other thing you really need to complete your dollar journal is a pen. I like to use the Faber-Castell ones, but any pen will do. Just keep in mind that sometimes these cheaper notebooks have thinner paper, and you'll want to make sure your pen doesn't bleed through the pages if you don't want it to. The other thing you might want is to add some color. Highlighters work great on these pages. I often use my daughter's Crayola markers, and they work wonderfully too. And then you may also want to build an image collection. I like to just dig through the recycle bin and see what I find. For this journal, I grabbed a country living magazine and I found some cute cutouts like the word breezy and this bicycle. And I'll just go through the magazine, oh, this is cute, and pick things that I want to put in my journal. And it's all free because I found it in the recycle bin. You may want to decorate the cover of your tarot journal and add some fun tarot text. If you use a tarot key, it can help you save room on your reading pages because you can just put symbols or abbreviations on your reading pages. We also have a tarot symbol key, and if you want to try using that, you can find it at willowseast.com on any of our printable download pages. For my first reading page, I'm asking the question, which energies will spring bring? Here's how I put it all together. Thanks for watching. For more tarot journaling ideas, free printables, and pre-made journals, please visit willowseast.com.